this is Hassan Sahlawi and you are watching Emir for Tech. Welcome to another quick tutorial in the same playlist of CSS tricks, in which we've recently started in our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to create a simple heartbeat animation effect using only CSS. So concerning the text editors that we are going to use in those tutorials and the upcoming lessons, we are going to use either Sublime Text 3 or Atom. They are two free text editors. I will leave you the link in the description. Go ahead and download them. So let's get started. So we are going to start a new project in Sublime, then save it with any name and make sure that your name is ending with .html extension. For example, I am going to name it heartbeat.html. Then we are going to start our HTML markup. The title for this lesson is Heartbeat Animation Effect using only CSS. Then we are going to create our style sheet and save it with any name. Make sure that your name is ending with .css extension. Then we are going to link the style sheet to our HTML document using the link. So style.css. As we are going to use icons, we are going to bring the font awesome CDN, or the what we call the content delivery network. Font awesome CDN. Then we are going to bring the link, the first link, copy and paste it in the head section. And we are going to remove the cross origin and integrity like that. Then we are ready to start our tutorial. So we are going to use div element, give it a class set to heartbeat. Then we are going to use an icon for the heart, give it a class set to if a heart, then save. We're going to open the page in our browser in order to see the result. This is the heart. And we are going to start our style by removing the padding and margin added by the browser. Then border, sizing, border box. We are going to center our div, heartbeat, position absolute, left 50%, top 50%, and a translate -50%, then -50%, save and reload. The heart is centered vertically and horizontally, so we are going to style the heart. So heartbeat icon, so color will be F00 or the red color, then font size 10 EM, save, reload. This is the icon of the heart, so we're going to create the animation. So animation heart, I'm going to name it heartbeat, then the duration, then infinite, linear, and we're going to create the keyframe of the animation, heartbeat 0%, the transform scale 1, then we're going to press the Ctrl C or copy, then paste it a couple of times, 50%, 100, 5, then save, fresh, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed, guys, this video. If yes, please that like and that subscribe button. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.